the best free AI image generator in 2025. In this video session, let's explore Adobe Firefly. Similar to other AI image generators, you simply provide a prompt as to what type of image you'd like the AI to generate, then press on Generate. To be able to use this tool, you need to sign in to Adobe Firefly. You can use your Google account or other social media profiles, or you can create your own account, okay? So we have general settings here. We've got the latest version, Firefly Image 3. Then we can press on that and say, okay, fast mode. Let's leave that as default. When you're exploring this tool, leave that fast mode, because then the outputs are generated quicker, so you don't wait around, okay? The aspect ratio, so that's actually not bad. Let's say widescreen or landscape. So you have that setting. With Adobe Firefly, they actually give you content type. Now let's imagine you'd like to create images using the AI image generator. Let's say for illustrative purposes. Then you can select Art option, or you can leave it as Auto. When you leave it as Auto, whatever prompt you put here, the output will be generated automatically as to if it's photo or art. But since this is an Adobe product, you may anytime download the images that you've generated to your local computer, or you can actually edit them. Let's imagine you'd like to add text to it. Adobe Firefly gives you that option. But do keep in mind that let's imagine you want to add shapes and graphics. Let's do that. Then Adobe is going to take us to Adobe Express. So certain products with Adobe, you may need to pay for it. So I won't cover that. I won't cover the editing option. It's just a matter of playing around. Here use as composition reference. So when you're generating images, here we have composition. So by default, you can say, you know what? I'd like to select this. That's the composition reference. Or you can say, how about visual intensity? You can put it up and down. Also with this AI image generator, you can actually upload your own image. Let's say you've got an image that you want to work on, perhaps add more stuff or change it or create similar images. Then you can upload an image and say, okay, with any AI image generators, you need to read the terms and conditions when we're using AI tools. For the images that I create, I have the full copyright to it. So you need to be absolutely careful as to what type of images you're uploading. If it's your own images, great, do that. If not, simply read through the terms and conditions, okay? Let's imagine I want to create a logo. Then we can select art perhaps and say, okay, you know what, generate according to the prompt that I'm putting in here. Here we said, create a logo for my online marketing business digital concept. And now with this, I can edit it here at basic level, or I can perhaps use Adobe products such as Photoshop to then say, okay, ABC business. Let's do that. And here, as you can see, the AI generator went ahead and created some gibberish text. So I can grab the sample color and do something like this. That doesn't look good. Let's Control Z. Let's grab another color. But this time, let's grab that color reference. Because now you can easily remove that gibberish looking thing by doing things like this. And now you can export that to your local computer and modify it here if you want. Okay, so if you do have Adobe, Photoshop, or even Illustrator, I'll show you that as well. Or if you don't have it, then there is an open source program called GIMP. This will be as good as Photoshop as well as Adobe Illustrator, and this is open source. That means it's free. It will take a bit of time to learn this, but if you want to, learn how to create images, perhaps for graphic design and so on, these are the powerful tools that you can use. Let's imagine we grab this as a composition reference, and let's say, you know what, let's grab some text from Rankia website. Now, when you're using AI image generators, be very thoughtful as to the prompts that you're inputting here, because some of them will allow you to generate certain type of images, and some of them have strict conditions as to what you want to output. As you can see, when we've selected this composition reference, it's gone ahead and assisted us to include that as a reference point. Then we have styles. Let's grab this one, or let's grab this one for the sake of this tutorial. Let's generate this. Now we're referencing this pre-made image here. As you can see, quick and easy way, and also powerful way to generate various different types of images. Then we have effects. You may say, okay, you know what, concepts. Let's grab futuristic concept and let's generate it. So as you're using Adobe Firefly to generate images using AI, as in text prompt to image, you have various different options. Okay, it's just a matter of playing around with these to find out which works better for you. We've got color tones as well, about vibrant colors. Lighting effects, let's say surreal lighting. Camera angle, let's say close-up. Or landscape photography, because if the image that I want to generate is related to landscape, then perhaps camera angle should be that, if that makes sense. So the best AI image generator in 2025 are Adobe Firefly, Image Effects by Google, and Deep AI Image Generator. To be able to generate quality images that you can use, it's just a matter of exploring the options. Out of all the three that I've just shown to you, Adobe Firefly gives you the most settings for you to quickly and easily change when using their text-to-image AI image generator. Okay? I thank you for learning with Rankia, and if you know of any other ones that is free to use, simply comment on this video, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.